Hello, good evening. Sob ke Nagaland Times News Channel te welcome kore ase. Notun thakse kule subscribe aro share kor diwi. Ajila first update ase Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee NPCC to media report cell phone important personalities kan la former Congress Chief Rahul Gandhi aro official staff kan la milagina under surveillance Pegasus spyware 2019 general election tak thakya nimiti shocking news experts kuri dishe. Nagaland Pradesh Congress Committee President K3 statement Israeli company NSO Group 2 Takhan la product pikagena government agency kanki terrorism aro serious crime krubole thagilepi BJP government to tools misuse kuri civil liberties of individual to covertly assessing Takhan la personal data kuri thakya koi dishe. Next has a core committee on Naga political issue to Naga pistokte deadlock to khotom krubole effort dia ase. Core Committee on Naga Political Issue, Chief Minister Lead Kuriana Twitter Naga Negotiation Group, National Socialist Council of Nagaland Isak Moiva Aru, Working Group of Naga National Political Group, Twitter P Ekta Agreement Anibole Separate Meeting to Rakilushe. NSNM Framework Agreement to August 2015, Government of India Logo signed Croatia Aru NNPG's negotiation to based on agreement position te. To Twitter negotiation party ekta common goal te anibole core committee on Naga political issue to ekta table te ayena peace talk to resume kurbole appeal kuri takshe mutual respect te alak bhavna to rakhigena to itu karni core committee on Naga political issue to Naga negotiation group khan ke ikiloko thagina itu deadlock to khotom kuri one agreement one solution te thagibole ko ase aha din te pal hobole nimite. Next I said Dimapur Police to sincere gratitude RAMKY ECI Kanke Ditakshe ambulance donate Krida Nimite. Dimapur Police Twitter report has up to Damur sincere gratitude to RAMKY ECI Kanke Kuidishe Twitter Notun ambulance CSR initiative Loina General Public Welfare Road related medical emergency nimite Traffic Wins District Police Commissioner ke donate Krida Nimite. Aroja kali SP Tungsang to site thagina traffic constable ekjon ke notun construct kura traffic point Tungsang te inaugurate krubole dishe itu to dangor example ho jaise newly beginning with great gesture te. Next ase Assam government to gazette notification issue kuri dishe online te liquor home deliver thagibole Guwahati te. Khobor hisab to Assam government to gazette notification officially approval ho jaise online te mudu bika aro gorte order ponchai dibole notification te guidelines pi likhi dishe sell aro purchase nimite online sale purchase aro delivery to develop for this purpose app te kinibole parbo kuina notification pa ase eligible customer kan to ekbar te 3 liter kinibole parbo aro delivery agency kan pi ekbar te 9 liter of alcohol thorgena deliver kurbole guidelines release kuri takshe prepayment te online order to within 2 hours te ponchabole ko ase delivery aro service benefit kan holipi 21 years opor kan hi hobo app eligibility hisab te 1 kilometer delivery charges to 50 rupees aro 2 kilometer te 75 rupees charge kurbole notification te koi thagise itu online sale aro delivery to hostel education institution government non government semi government government office public place aro religious jaga khan tu nathaki bole notification te koi thagise. Next as TMC MP Santanu Singh Raja Sabha te IT Minister Statement Pegasus rote bangai danimite suspend kuri dishe. Khobor hisab to Congress Raja Sabha Member of Parliament Santanu Singh monsoon session te Union Information Technology Minister Ashwani prepare kura statement bhangi danimite session pra suspend kuri dishe. Reported Santanu Singh 7 opposition leader khan wall protest kuri thakate ase aro jakali upper house te paper chuchigena bangai dan nimite session bra suspend kuri dishe koina khobor pa ase. Khobor hisab to Vishwana IT Minister to part of global collaborative investigation 300 Indians khan Pegasus spyware Israel NSO group khan bra target kura digital news platform bra disclose kura koi thagya tamte incident happen kurishe koina khobor te koi thagise. Next ase Assam Meghalaya border issue nimite Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma aro Meghalaya Chief Minister Konark Sangma tu aji meeting rakhilo ase. Khobor hisab to Chief Minister dujon tu unofficial meeting tu first time rakha ase border chamla nimite Minister dujon tu Shillong te meeting rakhilo ase aro Union Home Minister Amit Shah tu kali Shillong visit kurbole ko ase. আজি meeting te minister dujon tu boundary dispute 12 area nimite kotha kura ase aru report hesab tu official meeting tu ekbar Guwahati te rakhibole ko ase tuita state official kan pi present kurina report hesab tu kali union home minister visit te tai chart kurina atta notice state kan ki kotha kuri road map tu draw kuri region te chamla faisla kurbo koina koi thakya khobor te update kuri dia ase. Next is Afghanistan ti gunmen group ra 100 opor civilian khan ke mar dishe koina khobor pa ase. Afghan Interior Minister report confirm kura hesab tu itu civilian khan muraida tu Taliban khan bra ase koina blame kuri thakise. Report hesab tu brutal terrorists Punjabi bosses odorte spin boldak area te ambush kuriena innocent civilian khan ke gorbra margena loot kuri dia koi dishe. Pakistan Balochistan province te Taliban khan tu flag pi ekta gorte uthai thakse aru unidentified khan aina civilian khan ke mari rakha Afghan security agency koi thagise hulipi Taliban khan tu itu incident te involve nai koina stated kuri dise. Last update te khatabra India COVID-19 report janigena khatam kurbo Union Health Minister report hesab tu India COVID-19 within 24 hours te 35,342 notun cases 38,740 recover aru 483 death record ho jase. Ita India te total confirmed cases to 3,12,93,062 recover bra 3,4,68,079 active case bra 4,05,513 aru murjato hule 4,19,470 ho ja khobote update kuri dia ase. Aru ajila update yate bra khatam kura ase sob manu take care stay safe.